feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To prepare a bacterial inoculum for yogurt making. Start by heating milk to 85 degrees Celsius, 185 degrees Fahrenheit, to eliminate unwanted bacteria. Then cool it to 43 degrees Celsius, 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a tablespoon of natural yogurt with live cultures to the cooled milk and mix thoroughly. Incubate the mixture at 43 degrees Celsius, 110 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 to 10 hours until set. This enriched inoculum is now ready for use in larger yogurt batches, ensuring consistent and high-quality yogurt production.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.